Welcome back to your boy Destination Trucker. We are on our way today to go get some bikes for my sons. Uh, they're not supposed to get them yet, but it's kind of hard to, with everything that's going on, being locked down, and it's kind of hard to go and get them and then hide them on them. So we're just gonna get them and give them to them. They are sitting there watching some TV right now, but they need their bikes, new bikes. So we are going to get them new bikes today. So let's go. Alright folks, so I just got my Tim Hortons, as you can see over there. Tim Hortons. Now we're going to head to our favorite store, which is Walmart, to get these bikes. Go swing up. We're going to go to the one in Sherwood Park instead of the one just down the road here. The one in Sherwood Park will probably be less people at it this early in the morning. So I should be able to get in there without a gate or anything. I don't know. Hopefully I'll be able to. We'll see here. But who knows what? We'll try to get them two bikes, one bike each, and a helmet to go with it. Let's head over there. Alright folks, so we just got out of Walmart. Sorry if it's windy. I'm just gonna get out for a quick sec, but we got some bikes here for the kids. This one is a Hot Wheels, and the other one we have here is an Avengers bike. I don't know if there was supposed to be a cover on that, but it was the only one there, so I was like, whatever. It's not a big deal. I'll probably take that off because it looks stupid anyways. But anyways, with that said, they got some bikes. And they got some helmets too. The helmets are in the truck here. The helmets the wife got. Oh, we got an Avenger helmet for the Avenger bike. And we got this here one that kind of matches the Hot Wheels. So, there you go. We have some bikes. Now I am going to go and bring these back to the house. And then I think we're going to go get groceries or something. Alright folks, so we decided to leave the wife there at Walmart to get some groceries. I'm going to take the bikes home and then I'll come back and get her. That way we're not sitting outside waiting for her forever. So that gives her some time anyways. I told her I'd be at least a half hour, so you know, that gives her a half hour to do her shopping. And then we'll head her back home. So let's go drop these bikes off and then we'll head back over here. Alright folks, so I just arrived at Walmart, and when I got here to get the bikes and the wife went in, there was like no lineup, you know, like there was nobody. Now you look at it, I'll turn this around, you look, the lineup starts there, right, and they have to have their social distancing, so, and it goes all the way back to there. You know, like it's hard to see with the vehicles in the way, but it goes way back to there. So, they are, they're getting busy, and this is what I'm talking about. Okay, you take for instance today is not a very busy day, like, you know, like, but if all these people in Canada are going to be on unemployment, can you picture what a lineup is going to look like? Like, I don't know. They were talking on the news, and they were saying that our peak is going to be in May. Well, I thought if anybody got this disease, right, that it would only last on anything for 14 days or something. Like, you know, like that's what I thought. You know, an infection can only last on objects for 14 days or something, or something like that. I mean, people are gonna get it. Yes, that's correct. But as long as they don't interact with anybody else, it shouldn't affect anybody else, should it? Or like, I'm not a scientist, but you know, like you listen to what they say, it's like they contradict themselves. One minute they're saying that, you know, if I sneezed on a piece of metal, then it'll only stay there for 14 days. Well, if everybody that's infected is locked up for 14 days, you know, like, shouldn't that prevent anybody else from getting it? Like, I don't know how this works, but Well, I don't know. Why? Maybe I should be a scientist because I can just make up shit. But anyways, with that said, we'll wait for the wife to come out. She shouldn't be much longer. I'm exactly 31 minutes I was. Well, I was 30 minutes, but it's now 31 minutes since I left. So, that's pretty good. So we'll wait for her to come out, and we'll see you then. Alright folks, so we made it back home, and got the groceries all in here on the floor. Just got them all in. You know, I had to carry them from all the way over at the truck, over there. But here we go, look at their new bikes. They're all excited. He's even wearing his helmet.
I don't need a helmet.
He needs a helmet, he just doesn't like to wear it. But look at that, cool, it like matches his bike, right? Because his bike is Avengers and the Hulk and everything. See, you got the Hulk down there on it, the Avengers. So the helmet like perfectly matches. Just makes it awesome. And his helmet kind of matches his bike. Yeah, that's your throttle. Yeah. Hey, but you got it backwards though, bud. You got it. Yeah. Just like that. That's your motorcycle, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't try and take this off. I don't need helmet either.
Oh, you don't need a helmet either. You do need a helmet.
Keep hurting me.
You do need a helmet. Everybody needs to wear a helmet when they go on bikes. How do you pop this off? Right there? Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, because you need pushes.
Okay.
You need to do my friend. Did you get my regular helmet I usually wear?
Oh, I don't know where it's at right now. Out of the garbage, Paulo. Or garbage. Out of the gross. You too. Go on.
Dad, I know where it is.
What?
But I can't reach it.
Yeah?
It's up there. Look
Oh,
up.
okay.
I don't want
Okay, well right now we're gonna get these groceries put away before the dogs eat them. Alright folks, so the kids, they drove their bikes a little bit. I took the training wheels off one of them for the oldest fella. I don't know if I can show you. He's right there now. His is there, the other one's there. But we got that there, taken care of. Training wheels are off one. They're pretty excited. Now they're fighting over the TV, which is typical for kids, right? They, you know, God forbid they just sit there and watch the same show. Nope, I want this one, he wants that one, right? Anyways, folks, with that said, thanks for watching another video. If you like this video, don't forget, smash that likes button, turn on and hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications for all the upcoming videos. Destination Trucker out.